Venus Perpetual Health. We will be covering Alaska. So they're having this junior NBA, junior WNBA sort of workshop? I don't know the name. Ase! Ase! Ano ba na? Life of Asi? Yeah. .com. Hey guys, it's about 9:50 in the evening. It's still Sunday, don't worry. I wasn't able to vlog what we were doing at Binyan, but it was for Alaska. Seriously, I was so pissed at myself because I haven't recovered fully. From tonsillitis, now I have coughs and flu. Well, I have fever. I have flu, basically. And kind of sucks. So, yeah, I have to rest all day. I have to get complete bed rest because earlier almost died from having a hard time breathing. My mom panicked because I was like that. Like, I was having delusions and hallucinations. So, yun. May sakit na naman ako. Which kinda sucks. Kasi palagi na lang nagkakasakit. But luckily, I'll feel much better soon. Man voice, please go away. So, yeah. So, ngayon, papahinga na ako. I'm gonna end this vlog. So, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys understand na hindi talaga ako nakapag-vlog ng tuloy-tuloy. Kasi, kung mas mapakiramdam ko, wala talaga ako sa mood. So, yun lang. So, I'll talk to you guys next time. Okay? Bye-bye!